Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to create a text style inside Word so that you can ask Studio to ignore it. So what I'm doing here is just simply copying a random piece of text from the internet. Okay, what is an eclipse? And I will copy the text, and now I will paste that in Word. Um, there, there it goes. Okay, well, I'll paste it in Word. So there you go. We have a big piece of text. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to select a piece of this text. What do you say, learner eclipse? I don't need that part of the text translated, okay? So let me just save it very quickly on my desktop. Okay. So now what I have to do is create a style for this. Then you just create a style. I give it a name. It's very important that you remember the name of this style so that you can use it later inside Studio. So there you go. Okay, now the style changed things into bold, so I'm just going to change the style so that it won't change my text. So I will click on the bold button. There it is. So there you go. It's the same text, but I applied the style called testing. So now I can save, close. Now we go back to Studio, and I'm here inside the options panel. Okay, so I just, all you have to do is go to the Word file type, and I will be creating a style. So now that I create a style, all I do is I have to test it. Okay, so you can use a new preview feature inside Studio, and there you go. The lunar eclipse, what is a lunar eclipse, is not here. All right, because I asked Studio to ignore the testing style type. So just so that you see, here it is. What is a lunar eclipse? It's not present in Studio. So after that, all you have to do is click OK. I was just testing this, and there it is.